Jane. Welcome to my farm. I will introduce you some farm animals. First animal is a cow. Moo. Cow is the biggest farm animal. Moo.
I'm a cow and I'm brown. I give you milk.
Thank you, cow. Bye. Moo. And now I will introduce you one family. Here is a hen. That's a mother. Here is a cock. Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's the father. And here's a chicken. And that's the baby. The chicken is the youngest. The hen is older than chicken, but younger than cock. And cock is the oldest. Thank you, hen family.
Ee-haw!
Ee-ah.
Ee-haw!
Ee-ah.
Ee-haw!
Ee-ah.
Ee-haw!
Ee-ah. 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 Stop. What is going on here?
He says he's smarter than me. That's not true.
Yes, I am. I'm the smartest goat here on the farm. Goat? Oh my, you are a donkey, not a goat. This is a horse. Horse is smarter than you, sorry. But you have the longest ears. Ee-ah, ee-ah, ee-ah.
Bah!
Oh, hello! Here comes grass-eating animals, or we can say vegans. Hello!
Hello, I'm a sheep and I give you wool. Hello, I'm a goat and I give you milk.
Oh, that's great.
We are just going to eat something. How are you, Jane?
I'm fine.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, what's that? That's a pig.
Yes, I'm the strongest here on the farm.
And also the heaviest.
Yes.
Oh,
Bye-bye.
hello. Hello.
Jane.
Hello. So here we have a goose. She is white and she has the longest neck. And here is a duck and she is brown. Both of them like to swim.
Let's swim.
So that's all. Thank you for visiting my farm.
What about me?
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. This is a turkey.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm the most beautiful animal here on the farm.